various uses of energy. So the next one is fossil fuels. So natural gas, petroleum, um, diesel, petroleum, natural gas, they are all called fossil fuels because they are derived from fossils. They are derived from the fossils. So by the time combustion engine were discovered, they became prominent. They became prominent in transportation, as in cars and motorcycles. So these fossil fuels became prominent when the combustion engine was discovered. Because before the combustion engine, steam engine was used. So by the time combustion engine was discovered, then all the fossil fuels became prominent, as in the cars and the motorcycles. So the next one is chemical energy, as in cells and batteries. So when the two dissimilar metals are dipped into the electrolyte is a molten solution which contains some ions. So when the two dissimilar metals are dipped into the electrolyte, one will serve as cathode and the other one will serve as the anode. Then electricity follows. So this kind of structure is called a cell or a battery. So you see, chemical energy is converted to electrical energy, and the electrical energy can be used for many purposes. Can be used in cooking, in lighting, and so on and so forth. So then, the next one is human muscles and animal sources. So the human muscles help us to be walking around, jumping up, climbing, and so on and so forth, as a result of the energy that is in our muscles. Because the food we take, which is in the form of chemical, give us energy by the process called oxidation. Because when we take food into our body, the food digests by the process called oxidation. So energy is released into our body, and therefore we can be able to be walking around, jumping up, climbing, and so to do so many things, to do a lot of works. So animals like camels, donkeys, and horses, they also do a lot of work for us. They help us in hauling goods and so on and so forth. So these are some of the various uses of energy we have. So in the next one, I'm going to explain energy and social development. That is energy and social development. Connection between energy and the social development. So I'm going to stop it.